Good day, students. Advocate Bapusai Bhonde High School welcome you all in our digital school. Myself, Mrs. Rohini Sole, your math teacher. Today we are going to study topic number 3, addition. In this chapter, we are going to study how to add vertically and horizontally. So, students, before starting this concept, we must first understand the meaning of addition. So, addition means putting the things together, or simply we can say when we get together, most of the things means two or more things we put together, it becomes, means this process is known as addition, or we can say the process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. Yes. Now we will learn some rules related to addition. So our first rule is when 0 is added to a number, the number remains unchanged. It means when we add 0 to any number, then there will be no change. Means the answer will be the number itself. Let's take one example. Suppose when we are going to add 0 to 10, the answer will be the number itself. Means the answer will be 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. There is no change in the answer. Okay. Now the second rule. In this rule, when we add 1 to a number, we get its successor. Simply, we can say when we add 1 to any number, we get its successor. So, here successor means the next number. Simply, we are going to take one example here. When we add 1 to 10, so we get 11. So, that means 11 is the successor of 10. Means 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So, the next rule of addition is the order of the numbers to be added does not change the sum. Means here when we change the order of the addition, the answer will be still same. No effect on the answer after changing the orders. Simply we can see here one example. When we add 10 plus 8, it will be exactly equal to 8 plus 10. That is 18. So students, I hope you understand the concept well. Now here we are going to learn some new terms related to addition. Okay. So here when we add two numbers means 433 and 312. You can observe it. When we add these two numbers are called addends. What we called it? Addends. Or simply we can say the numbers to be added are called addends. And the answer of the addition problem is sum. What we called it? Sum. So here 433 and 312 both are addends and 745 is known as the sum. Okay. Now there is some revision questions which already you all studied in our standard 3. So you all have to solve the following sums. Okay. This one also more examples you can solve. Now here is some questions already solved. Study the sums given below. Okay. Here you can say observe 4 columns, thousand, hundred, tens and units. And in this Here are 5 columns and 5 rows, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and units. While adding 3-digit numbers, we add units to units, yes, then tens to tens and hundreds to hundreds. In the same way, while adding numbers with 4 or 5 digits, thousands are added to thousands and 10,000s to 10,000s. Understood? Now study the horizontal arrangement of the sum. So students, you can observe here, first number is 7,513 plus 1,273. The same way we are going to add first units to units. Here 3 plus 3 6, then tens to tens, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, then hundreds to hundreds means 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and next number thousands to thousands means 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So first we add units to units, then we add tens to tens, then we add hundreds to hundreds, and last thousands to thousands. So this is the way how to add horizontally. Get it? So here are some more examples. You have to arrange vertically and add. You have to practice it at home. Then here today we will start addition without carrying over. Now you must be thinking what is meant by without carrying over. Let me tell you, without carrying over means when we adding of the digits, answer comes 1 to 9 means single digit answer. Let's see, we have here first number here, that is 5,102, and another number to be added, and that is 3,436. Both these numbers are our addends. Yes. Now let's start. Remember students, start your addition from unit place. See here, unit place. Which numbers are there in the unit place? 2 and 6. So 2 plus 6. Add it. What is the answer? Which answer you got? 6 plus 2. Yes. Have you? Yes. 8. 8 is the answer. Yes, your answer also correct. Very good. Now 8 is our answer when we add the unit place. Now add the tens place. So tens place digits are 0 plus 3. And you know na, the rule, when we add 0, the number, the answer will be the 0 plus 3 is equal to, yes, 3. Now add 100 place. Which digits are there? 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Same way we will add thousands place. Thousands place digits are 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to, yes, 8. So observe this sum and check out the answer. The answer is 8,538. In answer column, you will observe that we got answer in single digit. That is 8, 5, 3 and 8 means between 1 to 9. This method is called addition without carrying over. So students, today you all have to practice it at home. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.